Odù Oturupon Meji, the Odù of endurance, wisdom, and renewal. Òtúrupon Méjì is a sacred and deeply introspective Odù, revealing the lessons of endurance, humility, and transformation through the trials of life. It is an Odù that speaks to the necessity of overcoming blockages, both internal and external, to achieve progress and enlightenment. At its heart, Òtúrupon Méjì calls for reflection, spiritual grounding, and a connection to ancestral wisdom as tools to navigate stagnation and resistance. The essence of Òtúrupon Méjì. This Odù carries the themes of perseverance and balance, urging individuals to find stability even in the face of challenges. Òtúrupon Méjì teaches that stagnation is not merely a hindrance, but an opportunity to pause, reflect, and reassess one's path. It embodies the duality of creation and destruction, reminding us that growth often arises from moments of stillness and contemplation. Òtúrupon Méjì is also intimately connected to the mysteries of gestation, representing the slow but transformative processes that lead to renewal. It emphasizes humility, self-discipline, and the importance of aligning one's actions with truth and wisdom. This Odù challenges us to remain steadfast and true to ourselves while navigating life's complexities. Key Orishas in Òtúrupon Méjì. Orisha Ibeji. As the divine twins, Ibeji symbolizes duality, harmony, and the balance between opposites. Their presence in this Odù highlights the importance of unity and collaboration in overcoming obstacles. Orisha Òsanyìn. Òsanyìn, the Orisha of herbs and healing, governs the wisdom of the natural world. His energy in Òtúrupon Méjì underscores the importance of turning to nature for solutions to both physical and spiritual ailments. Orisha Ọbàlúayé, Òmàlú. Ọbàlúayé represents transformation through illness and healing. He teaches that disease, while challenging, is often a tool for purification and renewal, pushing us toward greater resilience. Egúngún. The ancestral spirits are central to Òtúrupon Méjì, emphasizing the role of ancestral guidance in navigating life's blockages. They remind us to honor the wisdom of those who came before us. Orisha Ògún. The Orisha of the ocean depths, Ògún embodies hidden knowledge and mysteries. In this Odù, Ògún's energy guides us to uncover truths buried beneath the surface, offering clarity and renewal. Key myths of Òtúrupon Méjì. Òrúnmìlà's journey through Ògún's depths. One of the most significant myths associated with Òtúrupon Méjì tells of Òrúnmìlà traveling to Òrún, the spiritual realm, through the depths of Ògún. This journey symbolizes the need for endurance and humility in seeking enlightenment, as well as the transformative power of water and the unknown. The balance of beauty and wisdom. This myth introduces Eva, a deity associated with both external beauty and inner wisdom. She teaches that true fulfillment comes from developing good character, Iwa, not just external appearances. Her connection to mist and rainbows symbolizes transformation and the hidden beauty in life's challenges. The mystery of gestation. Òtúrupon Méjì reveals the sacred process of gestation as a metaphor for patience and transformation. It speaks to the delicate balance required for life to take form and emphasizes the importance of nurturing one's potential with care and humility. The meaning of Òtúrupon Méjì in Ire, blessings. When Òtúrupon Méjì appears in Ire, it signals breakthroughs after a period of stagnation. This Odù brings renewal, healing, and a deeper connection to wisdom and truth. It encourages individuals to embrace humility and persistence as they move forward. Health. The resolution of chronic illnesses and the strengthening of the immune system. Healing is seen as both a physical and spiritual process. Wealth. Opportunities for growth and prosperity arise through steady effort and the practice of gratitude. financial stability comes with humility and responsibility. Relationships. This Odù fosters harmony within families and communities, often through the guidance of ancestors. It encourages respect, understanding, and collaboration. Spiritual growth. A profound connection to one's lineage and the uncovering of hidden truths leads to spiritual renewal and enlightenment. The meaning of Oturupon Meji in Òsogbo, adversity. In Òsogbo, Òtúrupon Méjì warns of stagnation, false friends, and the dangers of arrogance or neglect. It highlights the importance of introspection and spiritual intervention to overcome these challenges. Health. Vulnerability to chronic illnesses, particularly those affecting the immune system or reproductive organs. Rituals to Ọbàlúayé and Òsanyìn are essential for restoration. Wealth. Financial difficulties may stem from poor decision-making or neglecting spiritual responsibilities. Offerings to Esu Odera can help clear blockages. Relationships. Betrayals and misunderstandings may arise due to arrogance or unresolved conflicts. Reconciliation and humility are necessary for healing. Spiritual struggles. Difficulty aligning with ancestral wisdom or balancing tradition and change. Regular veneration of Egúngún is advised. Core areas of life in Òtúrupon Méjì. Endurance and patience. This Odù teaches that persistence in the face of adversity is a vital aspect of growth. Challenges are opportunities to build character and strength. Health and healing. Healing is a central theme in Òtúrupon Méjì. The Odù emphasizes the importance of addressing root causes of illness and seeking guidance from natural remedies and spiritual practices. Ancestral wisdom. Connecting with Egúngún is essential in this Odù. Ancestors offer guidance and support in overcoming obstacles and navigating life's complexities. Humility and reflection. Humility is a key lesson in Òtúrupon Méjì. It calls for self-reflection, acknowledgement of one's limitations, and a commitment to personal growth. Transformation and renewal. This Odù highlights the power of renewal through endurance and the ability to find clarity and purpose even in the midst of stagnation. Symbolism and sacred elements of Òtúrupon Méjì. Placenta and gestation, representing life's mysteries, creation, and the balance between potential and manifestation. Fog and rainbows, symbolizing transformation, hidden truths, and the beauty that emerges from challenges. Mountains and earth, reflecting stability, resilience, and the grounding needed to overcome obstacles. Conclusion. Òtúrupon Méjì is a powerful Odù that challenges us to face stagnation and adversity with humility, endurance, and wisdom. It calls for reflection, respect for tradition, and a commitment to personal growth. Through its lessons we learn that even in the face of obstacles, the path to renewal and transformation is always available. Whether in Ire or Òsogbo, Òtúrupon Méjì reminds us to honor the wisdom of the past, embrace the challenges of the present, and persist with grace toward a brighter future. Ashe.